If you don't know what to do in your life, you are not alone. I haven't known what I want to do in life for a long time. But then I found this system I want to share with you today. So let's get to it. Today I want to talk about the Ikigai. The Ikigai is a Japanese old system for finding your true purpose in life. You want to compare what you are good at in life, what you can get paid for in life, what the world needs, and what you love. What you love to do every single day. Now you want to fill out those circles with their intersections really to your true feeling of heart. Take out 30 minutes to an hour and really think about what do you love? What are you good at? What can you get paid for? What does the world need? And then, if you've written down those 4 parts, you start to combine them. Combine them in those intersections of these different circles. If you combine them, you start to see similarities. You will start to see similarities. Maybe what you're good at, you also start to love. Because if you invest time into something, it becomes a passion. So, fill out those intersections and then fill out the center. What are the similarities that you can see that are in all 4 intersections? And write them in the middle. And then you want to go back maybe and think about, there's missing something for me. I really love this and I want this to be a part of this middle of this center of my Ikigai. So you start to go back, you start to get more inspiration. Really take your time with it, but then in the end follow what is in the center. If you really like business like me, like to upgrade your style, if you like cars, maybe some personal hobbies, some personal interests can be there as well. Really think about those and start to adapt those in your everyday life. Focus on what brings you joy and what brings you the success you want. Success is defined however you want to, but you want to succeed in what you like. So take this system with you and really start to integrate this. Now, one extra little bonus tip would be to start implementing your Ikigai into your brand. If you do this, you will become a truly unique personal brand. This will set you apart from the crowd because people can sense that you have a system behind this all. You have a purpose, you have a why you are doing this. And if people can feel this through your content, your information that you are putting out there, with your value that you're providing, they get the personality, they get the trust, they get the likability from you. So, start implementing this today. Take out some time today, this evening maybe, and write down what your Ikigai is. With that being said, keep building.